As every other platform, it is also important for us to measure the performance of the LinkedIn page using analytics. How do we measure the performance of LinkedIn profile using LinkedIn Analytics? When you land on your company page, you see the Analytics tab in the top bar of the page. Once you click on that, you land on the feature which shows you the performance of the different updates that you have done on your page. These updates are different contents that you have published. This information will give you a preview of the update, the date on which it is published, if it was targeted to any specific audience, if any paid medium from LinkedIn was used, the impressions created by that content piece, clicks received by that piece of content, interactions in terms of likes or comments received, if any followers were acquired using this piece of content, and the percentage of engagement that any of these content pieces have got. As you scroll down to the analytics page of LinkedIn, the next feature you see is the growth in the followers of your company page. This particular feature will show you the growth in followers in the last 15 days of the month. It will show you the follower growth in two different aspects. One, the organic growth, and the second one is the paid or the acquired medium. The next feature available on the analytics panel is the demographics of the followers in terms of what work designations they come from and if they have been acquired organically or via any paid medium. These follower demographics in terms of work designations helps you understand what kind of connections and what is the profile of these connections that are engaging with your page. Based on the seniority or on their work designations, you can then plan your content and target it to these particular sections of your followers. LinkedIn also helps you understand where you stand in comparison to your competitors. This comparison is shown only in terms of the total followers or the number of connections that you have on LinkedIn. The next screen that you see as you scroll down will display the count of views received by the company page and how many of them are unique visitors. Again, this content or the information that you see will be available for the last 15 days. This can also be changed by clicking on the right tab where it states the date range. The more you scroll down to the Analytics tab, you see a section which highlights the clicks that are received on the Careers tab of your LinkedIn page if you have created any, along with the demographics in terms of the job designations. This section helps you understand what job designation people are visiting your Careers section of the page. This will help you understand the designations of people who are interested to either work with you or to understand the culture of your company in terms of working with the company.